Hello, this is a interactive mock-up draft for my e-portfolio. Just wanted to make a draft to work out the bugs, make sure everything is working good. Let's start out from the top left and go to the bottom right. We have, we're gonna make like a little logo thing that actually works as a home button. Um, I added all these tabs, but I realized that I'm missing a school. Same with these ones down here. School is pretty important for employers to find out. A good thing this is just a draft. We also have contact button right here, which I thought was good. A quick and easy way for them to contact me. Um, quick and easy, they have easy navigation, good mapping for each of the big things that they might want to see. We also have a LinkedIn portfolio that they can see. So if they go to resume, I'll have the resume right here, and they'll also be able to swipe down. There'll be a download here. They can go to projects. That gives a brief overview of each project. That way they can find the one they want to instead of having to scroll through each one. But if they want to scroll, they are also able to scroll. Takes it to the same spot. We have experience. List all my previous job experiences. Contact. A way for them to be able to email me through the website. Last but not least, a LinkedIn brings them to my LinkedIn portfolio for them to see. I hope you enjoyed the draft. Thank you. Bye.